Hello everyone. So in this video we will look on to the registration process for the InfiTQ 2021. So let's move with the registration process. Open a browser window, then enter in the URL with the name or with the site link with infitq dot on wings wings wingspan.com, then enter. Then the page will reload and wait for a second. Once it is reloaded the page, you can see the options of sign in and register. So as we are new to this site, so let's register for this InfiTQ. So click on the registration, then you can able to see with the option to create ID in InfiTQ. So let's enter your first name, and enter your last name, then followed by enter your mail ID, then enter a password, confirm password, repeat the same, then click on the register button. Now it shows an option that an email with instructions to verify your email has been sent to you. So check your email and you need to verify your account through the verification link that is received to your email address. So log in to your respective email accounts, then you will have received a email from the InfiTQ, that verify email. So here you can have the option to verify your ID that is entered in InfiTQ. So here you have the option called to link to activate your account. So click on the link to verify your email. So it shows that confirm validity of email of this respective email ID. Then click here to proceed. Now it shows the option that your email address has been verified. Then move on to your application once again. Click here back to application. The page will reload and back to the login account. Then click on the sign in. As the registration process is done, enter your email address, enter your password, then click sign in. Once if you signed in to your respective account of the email, then you can see the option, the terms and condition given by the InfiTQ. So read out these instructions, that is the terms and conditions. Here, bottom of the screen, left side, you have the option called I have agreed to terms and conditions. Click this checkbox. Then you have the option to accept highlighted. Then click on accept. Then it shows some details of yours. Here, enter your details. Enter the last name and first name. If you want still edit, then enter your mobile number. Then select the highest qualification. After entering your email address and phone number, then select the highest qualification type as a graduation or bachelor or equivalent. Then select the highest or pursuing qualification as Bachelor of Technology. Then select the country. Then select the state. Select the institute. Enter your college name here. Then you will have the recent search, okay, with the latest filtering, and select your college name. Then select your specialization. Enter specialization by entering some few keywords, electronics or computer science, like that. Then select your specialization. Electronics and communication engineering. Then year of completion 2022, in which year you are going to complete your graduation. Then click on the submit. Then it shows that your profile updated. Then click on done. Now your profile has been completely updated. Then on the top left side of the screen, you can see an option with programs. Click on the programs. Then you can see the two options. One is Infosys certification and Hack with Infi. Select the first one, Infosys certification. Here you have Infosys certification information, the eligibility criteria and examination process with 3 stages. First is a qualifying round, then second final round, then advantage round. So then steps to take Infosys certification exam is also there. Read out these steps very carefully. Then here you have the option for the registration of Infosys certification. Click here that on register now. Here upload your profile picture. with the formal background and formal dress code, which is necessary. Select your photo from your folder or from your system. Now the photo will be uploaded. Then check your details, that the first name and last name followed by mobile number. Then select your date of birth. Select your date of birth. Then all the details which is already entered with the profile data, the same will be displayed here. Check it once, then click on the submit button, and it asks you to verify your details once again before submitting. Please verify your details before submitting your registration. You will not be able to change these details once the registration is complete. So make sure that all the details which were filled here before registering to the Infosys certification once and twice, then click on the submit, then click OK. Now the profile has been updated with the Infosys certification. Once we have registered for Infosys certification, then under Infosys certification section at bottom of the screen, you can see a message with congratulations, you have registered for Infosys certification. Then instead of register now, you have the new option called book slot for the writing an exam. Now here click on the book slot, then select your type of language preferred, Java or Python. Okay, so select the type of the language which you prefer very much and very good in it. So as I selected Python, then select the date, either April 2nd or 3rd. I selected April 3rd. Then the slot for April 3rd, the respective time I need to select. And then it shows an option that under note, slot booking is based on first come first serve. The programming language you select now will remain same for qualifying round and final round. As I said, there are 3 rounds for this certification program. So for all the rounds, we can't change this language. Once you selected, it is fixed for all the 3 rounds. Then click on book, and it shows that once again indication that please verify your preferences before you book a slot. You will not be able to change these preferences once a slot has been booked a lot. Now if you don't want to change anything, then click on confirm. Then the slot booked successfully, and at bottom of the screen it shows that congratulations, your Infosys certification qualifying round examination has been scheduled at 1 p.m. on Saturday, that is April 3rd, 2021. You will receive the link for the qualifying round examination at your registered email address. So all the details, profile details, make sure must be correct and valid to get your registration links and further communications from the InfyTQ. Now, till now, the InfyTQ certification program registration and slot booking is over. Now, let's do the registration for the Hack with Infy. Go to programs and select Hack with Infy. Here, once again, you see the process, the eligibility, competition, and the prices. Similar to that, bottom of the screen, you have, several instructions is given here. Bottom of the screen, there is an checkbox. I have read terms and conditions of InfyTQ for Hack with Infy program, and I acknowledge the agree of intellectual property declaration. And here, click on the register now button. Then as I already registered my profile data for the InfyTQ certification program, the same details will be shown here, which is not editable. Here, click on the register. Once again, it shows that please verify your details before submitting your registration. You will not be able to change these details once the registration is complete. So verify it and click on OK. Now, once again, bottom of the screen, you can see the congratulations message. You have registered for Hack with Infi. So registration process is over. Then we have to book a slot. Click on book slot. Here we have the three options: May 5th, May 7th, May 9th. Select one option. Then the slot booking 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Select one slot, 3 p.m. Any one slot, whichever is preferred. Then slot booking is based on first come first serve. Then click on book now. And here once again a notification message: please verify your preferences before you book a slot. You will not be able to change these preferences once a slot has been booked a slot. Click confirm. Then once again it redirected to Hack with Infi. Bottom of the screen you can see a message: congratulations, your examination has been scheduled in 3 p.m. on March 9th 2021, sorry, May 9th 2021. You will receive the link for the examination for the registered mail ID. So make sure there are 3 steps of process to register either for the Infosys certification or Hack with Infi. First step is you have to do the registration process for this login account of InfiTQ. Okay, after logging the registration process, then click on the programs. Under programs, complete the registration process of Infosys certification. After Infosys certification registration, you need to select the slot. Then go to the second step, that is Hack with Infi. For this registration process and slot booking, for both the programs, you need to do the registration process along with slot booking. Then only your slot has been booked. With this, the process has been done. For logout from this account, you click on the settings button, then click all settings. Then on the right side of the screen, you have the option called logout. Click on the logout, and if you want to make sure logout, then click on the logout. Yes. Now once again we are back to the home screen of the sign in page. So once as you are done with the registration, you can directly click on to the sign in button of the respective mail ID and password. Then you can, whenever if it is required, then you can do it. Thank you.